Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life. I'm getting ready to put up a video and I just wanted to talk to you guys about something. Some of it's going to be interesting, very interesting. Okay, it's my wife's birthday and we decided to take a vacation. So I took the bus to get the oil change, A to B. I took her to get her oil changed and everything. So we got that taken care of. So once we left there, I went and picked up Wifey and we got on the road. So I stopped by my sister's house so she could see the bus for the first time in person. So after visiting with her for a short while, I started the bus up, and when I put it in the gear, I couldn't release the air brakes. So I got out and looked at it and I noticed that I had 3 belts broken. So one was the main drive belt, one was an alternator belt, and the air brake compressor belt was off. Now 2 of them were completely gone, so non-existent inside of the engine area of the bus. And one was broken and under the other belts, which let me know that's how those got broken. He got up under them and caused them to come off. Okay, so I went and got new belts, put those on. The bus started running fine. So as we drove on, we had another little problem, it seems like. So I pulled over and I noticed that it was a whining noise. So I pulled over, and what was happening, the compressor, although it was pumping air, it was freezing up from time to time, and that's what caused the belt to break. So we made it to a Cracker Barrel, spent the night. The next day, I tightened everything back up, and we went to the grocery store and then decided to head out. If it made it to the store, we would leave. So it made it to the store fine. We left there, we're going down the highway, we're doing good, it's doing good. And then all of a sudden, I noticed the temperature rose. So I pulled over just in time because it overheated. It overheated, but not too badly. And what had happened was a hose had blown off of the radiator. So what that's indicative of is that once you change out an engine, the compression and everything changes. So it's more pressure than some of the older parts are accustomed to. So it will cause them to fail. So that's how they blew that hose off, because it was more pressure than that old hose could handle. So I rigged that up, and we went up the street a couple of blocks and spent the night at a Cracker Barrel again. And the next day I drove to the auto parts place and got some parts to fix that, got some antifreeze and everything, and we got it fixed. So after that, we hit the highway, but I still noticed that the compressor was still freezing up for a second or two. So I had bought extra belts just in case. So we finally made it to our first destination, and I got in contact with the friend who sells buses as well as fix them. So if you need a bus, give me a call. I can probably get you a good deal with one. So he got me a compressor and also installed it for me for a real reasonable price. And so we left there and we decided, okay, she's running good, so we're gonna take our trip. So I just wanted to inform you guys of that and stay to the end, because just because it's a bad situation or a mishap doesn't mean that something good can't come out of it. And we're gonna see that this here was a blessing in disguise. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share us out. And hit that little bell so you'll be notified when we put up new content. So also, stay till the end. Stay till the end. And it's going to be a pleasant surprise. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Welcome to Brand New Life. I'm James.
I'm Delisa.
And this is Tatum. Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life. I'm in B, and me and her, we're headed to get her oil changed. Wifey, she had some errands to run, so when I get through with B, then we're going to pick up Wifey to leave my truck at my daughter's house, and we're gonna get on the highway for some fun and adventure for a couple of weeks. So we're gonna take you guys along with us and everything. So it's gonna be fun. So we look forward to you guys being there with us. So she's zooming down the freeway at a pretty nice little clip. We're doing about 65. So this is the first time we're gonna be testing the new engine out for any distance, because we've only put 300 miles on it so far. We're here. She is. So we're getting ready to get her taken care of. So you see all those trucks. They got trucks and stuff in there. They do 18-wheelers and everything. So here we go. Okay, so we're getting ready to take my baby. Taking my baby. Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, on the way, there's always something. We had to replace some belts.
So yeah, we have another dilemma on our little trip. I tell you, it's just repair after repair after repair. So we're about to pull over at this Cracker Barrel until morning or tomorrow. The compressor now. Hubby seemed to think that's what broke the belt, because the compressor keep locking up. So we're gonna try to find the compressor. All right, till the next clip. Hey y'all. So we just left the grocery store and we headed back on our trip. The hubby up there driving. We're in our little old travel clothing. So we're headed down this freeway. So we'll see y'all when we make it to the gas station. We got to stop and get some gas. So we'll see y'all. We stop at the gas station. All right, until the next clip. What's going on? What's going on?
That's our goal for sure.
So yeah.
Let's go.
Damn hose blew out.
Hose blew off.
It just busted out.
So it's hot, but it's not our motor, y'all. So we had to pull over.
Wow.
Julie, that's it.
Is there no water like
So we're gonna have to. What we're gonna have to do again? How much is your radio?
Oh my God.
I'm assuming
Yeah, we're gonna have to do this radio. We're gonna
We just got lucky that something got picked up perhaps.
So yeah, the only thing is, we probably gonna have to put some antifreeze or something in there. That hose blew off of there. What did it do for our motor?
I don't know. Hopefully we got it in time.
No, the good sports system here, yeah.
Motion detected at your front door.
Then we dig it.
James, be careful. Why are you trying to work on it while it's hot? We made it out the street. So all it was that hose that popped off, but we don't need that to happen too many more times. So it looks good. We're gonna stay here overnight.
Yeah, that hose on top of the radiator is what busted out, popped out. So I got to come up with a solution to fix it. I'll fix it tomorrow though. I don't want to mess with it tonight.
And then we got one of those other belts that keep flipping the ridge.
That's because it's cut. I didn't realize.
Then we got those one of those belts. It keeps flipping, and the hubby found out that it's got a little slit in it somewhere, and it's causing it to flip. So, but we'll get another belt tomorrow, and get something to cement that hose on there till we can get another radiator. All right, until the next clip. The hubby get frantic, and this is what he does. All the tools be out till we find something that he needs. But I'm gonna pick him up this time. All right. See that? Good morning, y'all. So we are still in the town after after the little radiator incident. So we're still in this town. We just slept overnight here at the Cracker Barrel. So yeah, we just getting our morning started. Our morning started. I'm making some coffee. Yeah. So yeah, we might get some breakfast at the Cracker Barrel before we leave. We always try to, spend a little money with them. Because they honor buses and RVs and You know, they let you stay 24 hours or overnight, whichever you prefer. Um, but yeah, this one is by a Kohl's and a Sephora's. I was looking to see if it was an Ulta over there because it's a hair product I want to get. But Ruby's going outside. I guess look up under the hood, check and see what's going on, see if it's safe to leave. I don't know what time we plan on leaving today. I hope it's early enough so he won't be working in the sun. You gonna say hi to the peeps?
Hey guys, I just woke up. I haven't had coffee yet. How y'all doing?
Yeah. So yeah, this is my 4th day of my vacation. So, but yeah, they're smoking those cancer sticks. But yeah, I'll show you how I make my coffee here in a little bit. All right, until the next clip. So we're at the AutoZone now to try to rectify this problem. I think he's gonna get one of the belt and something to try to cement that it's something to try to cement the radiator hose to the right inside the radiator. So yeah, he just purchased some more and some antifreeze coolant. And now we're about to gas up. We're at a TA, so we'll probably gas up and stay here. He got the belt. So I'm about to go in here and pay for some gas. Oh, they got a Burger King here. We bought stuff last night. To make burgers. I don't know which way I go in. I guess I go in right there. Let me see. Which way do I go in to do I go in that door right there?
Yeah, probably right there. Right there, right through there.
I'm on number 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Jada B. So that noise y'all probably hearing is that belt need changing. You're number 1. That's 1.
This is 2.
Okay. All right. Did they go on? Oh, that sound is scratching. You know that belt? Yeah, that's that belt. Yeah, I figured that. So yeah, we're I guess you look at the numbers over here or over there. Yeah, I just got $40 with gas. I don't know. We put this treatment in there too. It keep what's the name of that stuff? What it does? It cleans the what? But it keep your fuel injection. It keep it the blend.
It's a bit.
So we got 100. So that's just 27 gallons as you can see. So it's 365 a gallon. 350 a gallon. So it gave us 27 gallons. Yeah, it's strange how you have a how I have to pay for it on tube, and then you pump it over here.
See what it did to the tank.
Huh?
See how much in it.
So yeah, so that 27 gallon, he had some in there. Did you put some of that treatment in there? Did you put some of that treatment in there? Did you put some of that treatment in there? Yeah, he put some of that treatment in there. It keeps the injectors. It keeps the injectors clean. So let's see where it put us on the gas. So it gave us a full tank, look like, if it works. We got a full tank.
How much of it? You filled it up?
Yeah.
So it tank.
So we had some in there already.
Almost an half a tank, so it take $200 to fill it up.
Yeah.
And 371.
Yeah. So I guess what we're gonna do, go back here and park.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back here and park. So it's taking us all of this to hit the road. So, but you gotta make sure that hood is good before you just enjoy your time, you know? Gotta make sure under that hood is A-okay. So I hope it's a park back here. So, as you can see, all the 18-wheelers. Hopefully we get a park. So he didn't go straight to the back. He's going to the side over here. I know it's towards the front. See, we've been off grid for like 4 days. The sun, you know, the solar been helping us out, you know. That's a beautiful thing. He's going towards the front back, you know. So, got a little greenery there. I don't know why greenery seems like the scenic view. Greenery. So he's looking for a park. We'll probably wedge between the 18-wheeler. I need to get me a drink some water because I done had that cup of coffee. 1 cup of coffee do me a day. I don't have to have no 3 and 4. So I see one park over there beside that go straight up. Oh, those are reserved. You gotta pay for those. The ones that's reserved, I think you gotta pay for them. Here's one right there. We can get in there, just pull straight in. See one in front of you right here? See that one right there? Right here.
This reserve 6%.
Oh. You want me to get out? You got it? I didn't know that. So yeah, we'll probably stay here for the night.
through the night.
I don't know what your plans are. I'm not filled in on them, so. But I don't know how long we're going to be here. But I know it's till until Jada B cools off and he can get the belt on and get that hole cemented down and all of that. So. But yeah, we're backing up. I'll get out and show y'all where we are when we get in here. Let me see where the we need to invest into a backup camera. And when we get it, y'all will be in on the install. So yeah, hopefully the sun can reach us here, because we seem like we're so shaded. I guess there's no tree on top, so. Think we can get some solar here?
I don't know.
Let me see how much solar we're getting right here in this spot, because it seems so shaded. I guess because we're wedged between the. I mean, it's early morning. We still got almost 500 coming in. So when we reach peak sun rays, that's when we'll get our that's when it'll start boosting. So we're at 26%. So hopefully the sun will keep us powered, y'all. All right, until the next clip. So the hubby he got this meat. I don't eat meat, but he does. So he got this meat. I'm gonna make him a sandwich out of that. All right, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like cut a small piece of this and cut it in half and make him a sandwich out of it. I'll show y'all when I come back when I get it in the skillet. All right, to the next clip. So yeah, just putting a little char on it, frying it up. Then I got him some. I'm gonna put some cheese on, melt some cheese on it and everything. So I'll bring it back to you when the sandwich is made. All right, till the next clip. I got these good balls, everything. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. So y'all, that's the sandwich. I'm about to put some maybe some black pepper on it. Some cracked black pepper on it. Give it a little flavor. So y'all, that's the sandwich. Gotta season your tomatoes. Don't get it twisted. It's not full of salt or whatever. So, but that's the sandwich. Open face sandwich. So, all right. I'll take it to the hubby or let him come and get it. All right. So after finally getting the right belt, he's putting it on. These were the wrong size. So he got one. Maybe when we get where the other one, we can get a new another new one for the belt. And hopefully that noise will stop. And we got the right tools and everything.
All right, y'all. We're almost to our rest stop. So far, so good. Can't complain. Now we checking as we go, making sure it doesn't run hot, so we can get to the real fun. The real fun. The real fun. Okay, y'all. So we made it to the rest stop. I was intending to get it coming in, but so y'all could catch that scenic view. But yeah, we're at the rest stop. So again, chilling with the 18-wheelers.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you come back so that you can see the air brake compressor installed. And after that, we'll be ready for the highway. And I guarantee you're going to enjoy that video. So be sure to be there and don't be square.